Hi, my name's Scott Nido, founder of Fairway Exteriors here in Prairie Village, Kansas. So one of the awesome things about Prairie Village is it's such a cute community. It's so quiet. Our office is just across from Franklin Park, right down from Corin Square. And I love there's such a mix of homes. And so by where I live, you got a lot of homes in kind of 80s and 90s where they're beautiful big estates, but the builders probably cut some corners. And so we see homeowners that constantly have front entry doors they're just cheap. You know, they're drafty, they're letting air in, they're already starting to kind of rot. And so we're constantly going in offering fiberglass doors where you get the same natural character and feel of wood, but you have none of the maintenance. And then we do a ton of work over by the village and kind of, 63rd to 75th Street, where you get these beautiful solid wood doors that weigh 200 pounds and are so impact resistant, but they're just old and they stick and they're hard to open. They don't shut all the way. So again, fiberglass doors makes this such a difference anywhere we go in Prairie Village. And we see tons of homeowners saying they love the curb appeal. They love letting more light in. They love having a door that's functional, and fiberglass is the best option.